So kaf we say al-kitab. Then lam. What is this? Allah. So the lam is with sun or with the moon? Sun should be Allah. There is no lam at all. Allah. So the lam is clear. So it should be with because what is sun? What is sun in Arabic? No. Yes, what is sun in Arabic? Ash-shams. No lam. Ash-shams, not al-shams. Ash-shams. And what is moon in Arabic? Al-qamar. Al-qamar. So there is lam. So here, Allah. So there is lam or no?
Yes.
There is, so it is moon. Allah. And now this is something actually, it is good that we mentioned this. I found that a lot of Chinese brothers and sisters, they don't say Allah. They say Allah. Why you say Allah? There is no noon. Am I right? Right? Even I don't know how to read Chinese, but my wife helped me, and she told me that even the writing, sometimes how you write it, Allah, right? This is wrong. This is wrong, and you should correct it. Because if you say La ilaha illallah, then it is wrong. Okay? Because La ilaha illa Allah. Well, the name is very clear. So in fact it is not simple thing. It is real thing, really big thing. When I say that I worship Allah, so it is wrong. I worship Allah. Clear? Clear? This is important. So you need to correct it whenever you find it in Chinese written Allah. You need to correct it into Allah. Of course, I don't know how to write it in Chinese, but you have to find a way to write it Allah. And I don't think that it is difficult in Chinese, right? I mean, if you will find a way in Chinese to write Allah, right? And if you cannot find it, just write it in English or in Arabic, Allah. What is the problem? But don't write it in the wrong way. This is one of the things, although it is not in Arabic, but anyway, when you want to introduce Islam to people who don't know Islam, do you say I am a Muslim in Chinese? Most of the Chinese people, what do they say? They say Hui Jiao, right? Yeah, but most, they say this, right? But what is Hui? Of course, I'm not against it, but Hui is a religion or tribe? It's a tribe, but I am Muslim. The Prophet Muhammad said, there is no difference between Arabs and non-Arabs. And there is no difference between black and white. The way to compare between them is how righteous are they. That's all. And Allah Ta'ala says this in Quran. That the measurement is the righteous. How righteous are you?
它量的标准是在于你的人格有多么的正直。
So when you tell somebody outside that I am Muslim,
如果你跟人家说你是穆斯林，
when he will ask you what is the meaning of
人家
Islam,
问你伊斯兰的意思是什么，
you shouldn't say 回教
你不能讲说是
because
回
it is
教，
not.
因为它并不是，
It is Islam.
它就是伊斯兰。
I am Muslim.
我是穆斯林，
I belong to Islam.
我属于伊斯兰。
When he asks you what is Islam, then you should tell him that Islam is to worship Allah. Islam is not 回教.
你跟他说伊斯兰就是去敬拜阿拉，不是说回教。
This is maybe you think that it is small,
也许你觉得这只是一些细节，
but in fact, one of the biggest reasons that a lot of people they don't know Islam outside is that because this is the answer that 我们回教.
因为可能外面的他们就是没有去机会去认识伊斯兰，可能他们就是觉得说这就是回教，就是回族的信仰。
So this is just for the Muslim brothers and sisters for your information.
是给大家的一个参考。
So we go back to this. This is Allah. 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 And this is Al-Wahid. So after Kaf, we said Lam. After Lam, it is Mim. So Mim, for example, what we have here, Mim, 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 Mush, Mush. If we put Alif and Lam, so it becomes either Mush Mush or Al Mush Mush. What do you think? Al Mush Mush. Okay, so it is also
它属于
Al Qamar.
月亮，
Moon, yes.
属于月亮的。 命属于月
Yes,
亮。
go ahead.
I still confused for Alhamdulillah because there are two lam. So, and the shada in the second lam. So each shada with shada, it should be the shams, not
No. This, Allah, is like this.
Yes,
This is the correct way of writing Allah.
yes.
This shadda is instead of putting another one, it is from the word itself. This is the correct way of writing. This is the way of writing Allah without shadda.
就是说下面后面上
Originally
Yeah,
three.
I know.
Originally three.
Three.
But
原本有三个 lam，
it is not that we put this and this together and we don't pronounce this. No. It is that we put those two together and we put the shadda. So this is not related to this. This shadda
这个
is
shada
not
是
related to this.
连后
It is
面的
related to this.
So Allah is Allah, the second lam. Allah.
Exactly. This shadda is this. So we remove this. Instead of this, we put the shadda. Here, you will not be confused. What is this word? Layl. Layl. What is the meaning of layl? Night. I want to add alif and lam. Sister Hawa, you add alif and lam for this.
Allah.
Al, then layl. So you pronounce it.
Allah.
See, it is not al. You know, you pronounce the lam clearly. Al, layl. So you pronounce it. Because if you don't want to pronounce it, if you think it is sun, so you have to put the shadda over the yaw. Ayyaw. It is totally different word. Okay, so it is al, then layl. Al, layl. So the lam is qamar, is moon. And here it is different. This is al, Allah. This la should be al, then la. But we don't put those two, so what we put, we remove one of them and we put the shadda. So it becomes Allah.
So al not means al combine the alif.
No. This shadda is not to combine. This shadda is to remove another lam. This shadda is to replace another lam, not to combine with the first lam. Clear? So it is Allah. So Allah. Clear? Clear? Allah. So we said lam, then the mim, we know when it is al-mushmosh, then noon. Noon. Remember we said noon? What is the meaning of noon?
Well,
Yes. So if we add alif and lam, what we say? Do we say al-noon or we say an-noon? An-noon? Who say an-noon? Who al-noon? Okay, it is an-noon. We don't pronounce the lam.
它这个
An-noon, so it is sun.
属于是太阳的
An-noon.
安
An-noon. Then after noon we have ha. Ha, remember what was the word? We said hadiyah. We said hadiyah. If we add alif and lam, we say al-hadiyah or ah-hadiyah. Al-hadiyah. So it is moon. Al-hadiyah.
是月亮的
Then after ha, we said waw. So waw we say al-wahid or we say aw-wahid. Al-wahid. So the waw is also moon.
哇也是月亮的
And wow, as I told you, it cannot be touched from left. So it is the same way of writing in all ways. But let us get one when it is at the middle, which is the same when it is at the end. And this word, and see, this is the line. Wow, part of it up, part of it down, same as Ra, Zai, and yeah, same as Ra and Zai.
哇跟ra跟在一样，一部分在线上，一部分在线下。
And this word is khushu'a. Khushu'a. And khushu'a means submission.